See how this open comes out. Trying to get this. I've yet to turn on this monitor, so we'll see what happens. Might need to use a different power source. C power cable only. Let's see if I got something I can use. Let's go. Got 4 minutes here. Mother 3, what up? Hello, hello. I'm wondering why this isn't getting any power. Oh, that's why. This thing needs to go. I can't though. All right. I'm good. Just getting some things set up here for the little bit of the open market. I'm going to see what I can grab at the open here. Got a portable setup going. Yeah, it's been a minute for sure. Long time no see for sure. I've been kind of on, off and on, but as far as I've been trading a lot lately and stuff. So, I gotta switch the accounts. I get a Thinkorswim. This thing's been a pain. I got a lot of kinks I gotta get out today before tomorrow's sessions. So for the trade and stuff, but kids are good. They just went to a birthday party right now, and so I'm gonna set all my stuff up. I'm off for the week, so I'll be trading every day during the week. Getting it knocked out, getting excited, going out to the Philippines here in about, I don't know, a month and some change. So yeah, I'll be out there in Manila, landing on the 24th of April. So I'm pretty excited. Yeah, 24th of April. I'm looking forward to it. Okay, here we go. We're open. Pop way up. I'm going to short immediately, see what happens. This thing pops way up though. Wow, big rip. Oh, now we're coming down. Let's go. Coming down here, see what happens. Big rip here. All the way back down. I'm hoping for here. It's starting to bot back up. Ooh, it's getting bought all the way back up. I'm going to short it again. Short a lot. Boom, 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 boom. What? It came down and then it went right back up. There we go. Missed it. Missed it. I mean, yeah, a little bit. Hopefully it comes back down. Flushing. That's not bad. That was fast. But dude, this thing's all, can't see here. The demo account. This is just an account I'm trying to get funded. So I hope to enjoy the Philippines as well. Yeah, it's gonna be a good time. I'm looking forward to it. It's 85. 2085. Completely wrong way. I'll watch for the pop here. Big old pop. Up 11.05 right now. Big spreads here. I'm not going to go against it though, that's for sure. If 88 gets hit, then I'll take it. There we go. Got filled. I'm going long again. Just watching for the little pullback here. Okay, I'm a little bit longer now. So this thing, let's see if it'll rip. Looks like it wants to fail, but which it could. Oh, there's the rip back up. Grabbed about a few more there. Another one off. Another one off. Big rip. Push in, baby. Let's go. There's the big old slam, man. Went up with that one pretty good. Let's go. You guys aren't seeing this. Big old bull flag right there. So now with this account up 1803. Just need to get it to 3,000. Then I'm funded on this one as well. Just got rejected though, pretty hard there. Wow, that was crazy. Let me go short on this. I feel like they're gonna slam it back down. Yeah, they might push it back up. Hard to say. I'm going to say a slam back up. A rip. Yep. Covered. Oops, I took negative spot on this one. No, I gotta get out of that. Up 2103. Here we go. 2103. I just need to make $3,000 on this, and then I'm gonna be able to. I'll be funded on this one account. Another one. Pulling back. I think it's going to pull back just a little bit and then just rip right back up. You guys aren't really seeing what I'm doing, but I could show you, but there's a heck of a glare going on here. Discord, send friend request. Okay, let me see. So yeah, I just basically got long in here. We're right here right now. It's going to pull back a little bit, and I'm thinking it could pull down to the 80s, but I don't think I would like to see that hold. We'll see what happens, and then rip right back up. It might just drop and then rip up. So like right now, there's all these like shorts right here. Probably they're probably gonna equity sweep this, and then come right back up is what I would be thinking. And I do have a little bit of a position on, but there's that little sweep right there. Sweep. It could rip all the way down. That would be dirty, but now it should rip right back up here. So like that. See how that's going up now? This should push at least back up to about the 96s. So look right here. There it is, 96s. Boom, right there. Boom, boom. Squeeze, 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 squeeze. And so that's what they do. And then now I can go short, which I didn't mean to go short, actually. I screwed that up. But I'll hold it because it could come back. Definitely right down here to the whole dollar, but I got to be quick about getting out because this could just squeeze all the way up hard, and that could hurt me bad. Yeah, like that. Boom, there's a squeeze. I'm going to sell. Let's see if I can get it back down to 14. Yeah, I could do that. We'll see. I might have screwed up because I was long. I was short at the wrong time, and this thing's just going to squeeze all the way up. Here we go. Come on back down to the 18s. I need to be quick about it. I need to start covering because if I don't, I'll keep one on to hopefully get some more back, but that sucked. I should have not over double clicked that thing. It's come down to the 20s, 25s, probably hold and still kick back up. I'd like to see it come back down here, but I decided not to hold. I'm going to go full port on this, I think. I don't see this slamming back down that hard. So probably down to this 16s. I don't even know if it'll make it down there. Maybe it will. I'm going to wait for this one more little pullback. I'd like to see 3 red candles. And then next 1 minute to make a new high, and I'll shoot it. See, I would have got the 18 at least. Here's the 18s. This line's going to be green. Here's the rip. There it goes. Needs to come down just a little more. A little bit more. A little bit more. Come down, flush. It's going to sweep right here. Sweep with a line, come down, and then rip right back up. That's ideal. I don't know if that was going to happen. I don't know. We'll see what happens. Looks like a bull flag. They're going to rip. I'm going to go short here. They didn't fill me. That's all right. I'll wait. Just doing on this little portable setup I have here. Just a little small thing here in my kitchen. Nothing too crazy. Just trading evaluation accounts for Apex. And then this one I just got another monitor. I just haven't turned it on. It's got to figure out if I might need to get a few adapters for my current laptop. Laptop's old and I've got it in like 2017. There's the 3 little pullbacks. I want to say we start maybe shorting here. I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna go too short. Let's see if we can maybe break this going up. I mean, they're pushing, but I don't know. See if we can break like this right here. Because then everybody will start getting bent on this right here. So it needs to come down, retest this line, crack the line and break this green one as well. It's just extended. Still squeeze up, flat top breakout though for sure. There we go. Up a few. It's just small pullbacks though. I just need to see a big one go boom and just pull all the way down. Those are big ones though. 1, 2. Fair value gap though. I gotta watch out for that. That's gonna be so right here. Where's that shape? It's pulling, it's pushing, it's pulling. Rectangle. So fair value gap technically was right here. Now I'm down 80. This is a little buy zone right there. I'm just waiting for this red line here to crack. So like, I'll make it a little thicker. Watch it, test it, and then snap it. So like right now I'm up $100 on that, just because I have 2 contracts. But this could hold. I mean, this could hold and then just rip right back up and rip my face off, which I know it can. But I think it's gonna pull down. Down. It's gonna trap all the longs up here, is what I was thinking. And then go back down into this fair value gap right here and test it. Like that. 280, 300. There we go. I should cover some, but I'm gonna cover right here at 19. I think it's coming to right here. 19. It's gonna come up. It's gonna hit its head right here at 26, and then come right back down, and then it'll blow right through the 19. It'll snap right through. 330, 340. Come on, hit the 19s. It's gonna sweep the 19. I'm thinking it'll sweep and come right back down. But it's so it's starting to hold that fair value gap. I don't want to see that. I'm gonna get aggressive. I'm gonna actually add 2 more short if I can get it. Just a quick pop up and slam back down. But if they hit my 19, which I think they're gonna sweep this, come down and boom, just sell it right down. But if it's holding, come on, sweep it, sweep it, sweep it. There it is. There's that sweep. See? Right into that fair value gap. That's what I was looking for. So I got a little bit back. I mean, nothing crazy, but so evaluation account, 2172. I need to get to 3,000, and then I could have this funded. So right to the bottom of this fair value gap here, watch for a long now bounce off this, and then also this little support level here as well. So it could sweep into that support level there in the 10s maybe, but you just got to watch to see how it looks. And then if it's looking like it's going to just pull back and like I said, it's going to break this, and then I was going to go down, and then I was going to risk to here. But I want to see a reaction off this little support zone down here because this is in a fair value gap area. So like right now I can go, okay, well, I like this. I'm going to go and put my order at like the 10s. So like right down here to the 10s. Let it sweep it, keep that fair value gap in play, and then rip it right back up. That's ideal. I don't know if that's going to happen. It could. It should. If you're going to finagle and be crazy in this. So it kind of held the bottom right there on the fair value gap. Now it's going to rip right back up. Yep. So it didn't sweep down to that support level that I was talking about. It stayed at the fair value gap. It stayed within the box. So now it's ripping. I mean, it's not ripping, but it's pushing back up. It's showing that it'll hold. But this could be also a trap where it goes boom, it goes up, and then now it slams back down, sweeps downward before it wants to go back up, and that's why I'm sitting here at the 10s. Even got room down here to the 3s, and I know that. So here it is. Here's my possible sweep I was just talking about earlier. Here to the 10s. Okay, let's see if it'll happen. So now it's rejecting, right? Okay, now I'm filled long. I'm gonna buy a bunch right now. For a reaction long. Boom. Come on, let's do it. I want to see that big old rip back up. I mean, that could have been the other one over here, so I might have just trapped myself, but my whole thing is I want to see a reaction now here and the buyer step in and they start pushing this thing right back up, right? Right back up. I mean, quick. So I need to get this thing ready. This thing could just flush and then I'd be screwed. Which you can. It can go down to the 3 here. Definitely. I want to see this thing hold. Right here at the 9s and 10s. Getting a lot of selling going through over here. I don't like that. I don't like to see that. I'd be a little scared if I was short here. I'd be a little freaked out. Adding more long. It was only 1. I thought it was 10. I thought it was the 5 over there. Oh, well. Sweeping me down. Sweeping me down. This is like, where do you want to see it just push right back up? I'm going to go full port. Full porting in this thing. Full port. There you go. Sell, 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 sell. All on the way up. Selling. Okay, I'm out. Made a couple on that. Nothing too crazy. I wanted to see the thing really rip, but it didn't do it. So it held this level. Okay, now it's going to probably slam back down and get everybody all out again. Watching the 3s here. So this is the next one I'm going to be watching now down here to where this thing wicked down before. So this thing came down, came back up. It's kind of playing games. So we have a little bit of a range. I want this to be green roughly, I guess, and I'll kind of keep this like a big thick one so I can see it. But yeah, there's that break of this trend line, right? It's coming down. You want to see this thing come right back up and like really test it way up here. But you want to see it. So this thing's basing right now. It's kind of trickling around. It's kind of holding. But we're just going to watch it for a little bit longer. How much am I up? Oh, I don't know. 24.16. But this is just an evaluation account, 2416. So this is not real money. I'm getting an evaluation account for Apex prop firm. I'm waiting for this to come retest the threes if it can, and then great. But right now it's not. Now it's just starting to pull back. All the hype kind of from the beginning, it blew its blew its wad going up here, and now we're just gonna see how it reacts. Because right now it's the break and then be like the retest of 09, right, or 10s. Right now I'm gonna want to see how it reacts on the threes, and then down here at the whole number at the 2100s. So I want to see how this thing reacts, because this is like it's a fair value gap. So remember, like you see this big candle here, it came all the way up. Well, the previous candle before it's where you draw the line, and then usually it's. I mean, I'm just doing the bottom of this body right here. So there it is. There's a sweep. Watch it. Watch the sweep. Okay, watching it. I'm gonna start buying into it. Ooh, I don't want to go full port, but I did. Full port, 10 contracts. Let's see if this thing can rip right back up. There we go. Boom. Just like that. Bam. Okay, there was that. That's okay. So that's a liquidity sweep. Everybody has their stops at right here at 2100. Okay, so this is 21,000. 21,000. Everybody's got their stops like right there where my little line is. Okay, right here. Boom. Slammed it down. I'm like, okay, I'm gonna grab right into this. Meaning, because I had support over here to the left. You always look left, right? So, or correct, I should say correct. So horizontal. So right here was my liquidity sweep down into this support, and then boom, popped right back up, right? Now you want it to retest. This is a break and retest strategy now if you want. Comes in, tests the 2100 again. If it fails here and doesn't grab, it looks like buyers coming in. So you look over here in time of sales, buyers coming in. And this is on the 5 filter. This is 5 contracts or more over here, just so I know that it can come up. Look at that. Ooh, looks like it's rejecting. Might be. So I'm going to put a couple short here. I've got one short. Okay. I'm going to add one more short if I can get it on a little pop. Little pop. We'll see what happens. I'm only going to do 2 contracts on this because they could rip my face off, completely retake the 21,000 range or whatever mark and rip it up. I want to see it fail here, but I don't think it is. You got this nice support down here. This thing bounced. This is a big red candle. All that was a liquidity sweep, and then now it's come. You can just right back up, And if you look left, this was where that big fat candle started. So we'll see. I don't know. I don't think I'm really that right, to be honest. And I'm going to stop it right here. I'll buy a stop at 1204 or 2104. I'd like to see this thing bear flag. It's bear flagging right now. This is a bear flag, but then down into like a little bit of support zone here again, which that's not fun to do. But at the same time, this could do a nice little liquidity sweep again and screw everybody. Because like, hell, hey, next 1 minute, because I got the 1 minute going. 1 minute rejection, that's fine. But then they go, oh, next 1 minute to make a new high. So now if they get in here long and it comes up and rejects again and then rolls over and rolls down, it's going to snap all the stops right down here again. And then all those longs are going to get caught right now. They're getting caught. They're screwed, see? Now here we go. I need to cover, to be honest. I should cover right there because that's right into support, right? I'm actually gonna add more short. I'm adding more short right here for one more pop down. Right here. One more pop down. Oh yeah, it's gonna do it. No, it's not. Boom, it's gonna hit all the sweeps. It's gonna sweep me. Sweep, sweep, sweep. I want it to. I don't know if it's gonna do it. So now I'm trying to get aggressive and just pass this eval. And then see if this can't hold. And then sweep, 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 sweep. Come on. Right there, dude. Right to my 88s. Boom, boom. Like that. There's a sweep. That's what I'm talking about. It's sweeping all those stops. It's fucking everybody. Everybody just got screwed right there. I got to take these other ones off. And just kill them. It killed everybody. Everybody's like, God dang it, I was just trying to go long right there. It came in to support, dude. Blah, 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 blah. And everybody's all mad. Watch this now. Now watch the dirty. It might get bought up right here, hold, and then go right back up to and go test back up to the high of whatever today was. This is how dirty the Nasdaq is. This is the game you got to play with the Nasdaq. That liquidity sweep, they knew that people put all their stops right here, and they looked at all this and they go, "Oh, that's all the support." Here they go, boom, coming back up. They're gonna go test the 21,000 now again. Here they go. Everybody's getting all the shorts are, God damn it, getting squeezed. Boom, 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 boom. By the way, I passed the evaluation. 3,123. So here they go. They're ripping, they're tearing, they're going. Like it, that's it. Sorry, I just got to your thing. Nice. You ever use real money? I'm wanting to copy trade. Yeah, talking to me. Yeah, I know. I've used cash before. Look at that. Look at that candle. Boom. Just ripping all through those levels now. Just ripping everybody who was short off. Like, damn it, they're pissed. Now remember, coming back into this fair value gap right here. So watch how it reacts, because that could be a reclaim or that could be a rejection. The way that candle looks, I wouldn't want to go against it, to be honest. I would just say this looks pretty damn bullish. I'm going to continue to watch this thing rip all the way up into the 30s now. So, but let me switch. I'm going to switch to so I have a funded account here. That's my PA account, and then I have I got another evaluation count right here. I should have just got in on it on the reversal, but I didn't. So it's fine. Let's see. Yeah, you could copy trade, but the screwed up thing about that is when you blow it, or it doesn't go in your favor, then you blow a ton of accounts. So look at this. This might be rejecting right here. It might not be, but it definitely wicked up to the 20s, and then it's pulling back and not really holding. Well, now you want to see it hold this. Remember this hold this first little level here. I might have moved it, but actually I did move it. You got to go down a little bit. Should have went to about right. Oh, I guess I didn't. That's right. So now it's going through there once again. And now it's testing this one, and it's not holding. And now it just, what a bearish candle, dude. That's nasty. It's a lot of games being played right now because it's low liquidity. So whoever's got the big contracts, or whoever wants to play the games, they can go in there and swing their size around and make sure, look at that, right to the money on that one right here. Right to the penny. So here's a little pop and blah, blah, blah. So now it's just banter. They're going back and forth. They're just playing around, playing games. So they're playing, they're not respecting those levels anymore. They're kind of just going back and forth, as you can see. But yeah, done. I passed that other eval, so that's one eval down. I need to get a bunch of evals done because I'm off for the week, and I'm going to be trading all week. I don't know if I'll be live the whole time or anything, but I definitely will be. I'll be trading this week for sure. So now that's getting rejected. So that was a short. They just squeezed the shorts on that one because it came down and liquidity swept all. So knocked out the longs because they thought that this was going to hold here. And then here, I'll even zoom in a little. And then what they did is they just go boom, and then they rip it back up. So right now, what you could do is you can go long like over 95, 50 or something like that, and then just risk down to it's a $15 risk, but so like right now you can go, okay, you could get long. It sucks because you don't really want to get short down here, and it looks like the range is pretty small that you have to really deal with as far as this area goes. But yeah, I would take a starter long right here. Yeah, I mean 92s, 95s even. That's fine. So I'll take a starter long on this. This is going to be a funded account, or sorry, a evaluation account. So it's not a funded account. I'm not doing any funded accounts today. Not until the market open tomorrow. I won't be doing any funded. My first funded, I hit it pretty good. I was up, $1,400 on the first day. I know that you have to make more. I get that. So here you go. I'm going to add more here. I'm going to add more. I'm going to add more again in a second. Because this 96 level should hold. So like right over here, these 96s, this should hold and it should push higher. Should. I don't know. We'll see what happens. But the way that this thing is coming down, it's got one here, one there. It's almost like a double bottom. So we have like a little double bottom situation going here. Kind of have one here, and then you got another one right here. So we got a double bottom. Hopefully it holds, and then it can rip right back up. So I'm gonna add again. If it won't add me. It might pull back for a second, but then it's just gonna go back and then just right back up is what I'm thinking. But who knows? It can come right back down and retest, and then try to do a nasty liquidity sweep. But I only got 3 contracts on right now. 110, 155, back up to the 03s, huh? I'll take 2 out up there. I'll do it just before. I'll do like 225, maybe. So it's pulling against me again. I should have added. I don't care if it looks like it's rejecting. I don't believe it at one bit. Do I believe that? Okay, it's pulling back down. I'm going to get long now here. It might sweep. It might be nasty, but I will. It's a I'm going for a. You're going for it's an evaluation, So you gotta get a little aggressive. I understand there's higher lows or lower highs, and we got this thing going on here. But let me draw a little line and see where we're at. There. Gotta check my. Okay, I'm only down $100 on that. Oh, there goes the rip. What? Ripping faces off. Let's go. Here's my 93s, 6 contracts. Keep going. It's gonna squeeze. It'll come retest this green line. And if it doesn't, it might hit maybe the 21s, or whatever. But I'd like to see it. There's the 21s right there, and there's the 3s, and I didn't put an order out because I was chit-chatting. I'll put one out now in the 150s. Here's the 21 150. So I didn't take profit, and that's kind of a problem because if it just now rejects off that line, then it's going to suck. But what I will do is get even more aggressive, and I will add. No, I won't add yet. Sorry, I saw where the price was. Oh, there it goes through the 03s. Like I was saying, it would hit the 03s. I missed it. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to get aggressive. I'm going to adding here to really spike up. Let's see what happens. I mean, this is stupid aggressive, but like I said, it's evaluation. So hopefully it doesn't reject. And then really squeezes, dude. Because I'm expecting this to rip right back up and then come back up to here. There we go. In this area right here next. So this is going to be like was it 2110s? 2110s should be next if this thing's getting aggressive and they're starting to get some buyers behind us, which we are. So right here, that's our next target. I gotta find out where my drawdown is because it keeps trailing me. 600, okay. I'm gonna straight add here in a minute. Pull back, perfect. I'm gonna add to 9 now. I know it's super aggressive. It might screw me, but whatever. What are you gonna do? I'm gonna buy one more. I don't believe that it's just gonna pull down. It's gonna use this trend. Hopefully it keeps the trend and keeps going up. If not, then I blow the account, That's the risk I'm taking because I'm trying to pass evals fast. And this is slow markets, so I understand in slow markets that it could just, you know, go the opposite. Here's another one. I'm gonna full port that one on another account. So I have another account here that just went full ported to go all the way up, back up to the 21 threes. So there's the slam. That probably just blew the other account, to be honest. Now they're playing games. And that's kind of what you have to take. So that one definitely blew, I think. This other one, yeah, that one blew. And then now I got this one left. If this doesn't rip right back up here, this one's gonna come back down, and then it'll take me out. But that's just because I got super aggressive, obviously. And I don't have that much room in here. I kind of want to hit my funded on this as a reversal. Or just short it and be like, whatever. This short's going to blow it. Yeah. It blew it. And that was expected. I mean, I knew that I had that possibility coming down here. I was hoping it would push one more time up to those up there, but it didn't. It basically kept on its trend down, which is right here. I do have a funded account. I think I'm going to hit right here. I'm not going to go that many. I'm going to hit this with my funded, I think. I understand this thing's pulling down, but I might take it off this purple line. Damn it. I missed it. If they can come back down and fill me. Okay, I'm long in 86s. Super small risk here. This is a funded account. Up 40, 90. I needed to re-break and come back up to the 96s. So right in here. There it is. 145, 19. All the way up to the 96s. I still didn't take profit because I think it's got higher to go. Maybe it'll squeeze a little more. Come on, squeeze a little more. 200. Not really seeing much here. Come back down. It's rejecting. I'm going to get aggressive here, I think, and see if I can add to this. I'm going to add to it for one more push-up. It could pull down, but that's all right. I'll try to not let that go against me as bad. One more push-up to the... I know I'm getting a little aggressive on this, especially when it's kind of bearish for sure. Yeah, it pulled against me there. I don't know if I believe that pull, though. This could be a sweep. Gonna add one more. See if we can push right back up. If not, it's gonna flush me out. Took 2 off. Made a little bit, nothing crazy. I'm just like averaging. I want to see this thing pop way up now. Gain some momentum, and that was just a big nasty sweep on them. and then just really rip up, you know? I'd love to see that. I'm going to actually take one off because it hasn't been very strong. Hopefully it can take me out. There's one. Come on, keep going. I want to see a push. It's just kind of weak, you know? The action's just not looking good. Yeah, it's nasty. It's just not looking good. I'm gonna do I'll do a stop right there at 83s. Put a stop in at 83s if it keeps pushing down. I think we can get some momentum and get a little push back up to at least the 90s. High 80s, definitely. Maybe into the 90s, we'll see. I said I wasn't going to trade the funded account, but this thing being beat down as far as it was, I'm like, you know what? I'll just take a chance. I mean, who cares? It's nothing too crazy. I mean, I was expecting it to really push up a little more. It stopped me out. What did I make? $47, whatever. It's better than losing, I guess. And then I blew two of those. Let me zoom out here. I blew two of those evals, but then I passed one. I got a little aggressive in here, obviously, because I was just trying to. I thought I was going to go boom and go right back up again, but it was just downtrending. So this thing's downtrending, and it could really break here and suck people down even further and really come down. I'm not looking. I don't think it's going to just. It's looking bearish, is what it is. So this is also the 1 minute chart. I didn't have like another chart up, but I bet you the 5 looks really bearish as well. Let me zoom in here. Yeah, it's not looking too hot. Just constantly stair-stepping down. So until you really can blow through something in here, it's just going to keep bouncing and then dropping and bouncing and dropping. I mean, you need to see something. You need like another 5 minute to make a new high. So maybe like let this thing play around down here and then eventually turn around and come up. Even if you went short down here, it sucks to go short down here, but I'd say go short at like 86s and then just risk to like 2100 or something if you're going to do it. I'm not suggesting that to anybody, but I'm just saying if you were to, because this thing's wicking up. So right now, if I were to go, okay, I'm going to go short on this way up here. You want to see this thing pop first, right? And now that I'm looking at the 5 minutes, it's nice to see it pop, and it might gain some control and back in here, but I doubt it. It's just gonna, it'll pop a little bit, but I wouldn't bank on it to really do a good reversal here. I'm actually gonna short it right here at 87 and watch for the drop again. But watch it go against me now. Course the 5. That's the new 5 minutes to make a new high. See, that's what I was saying. That's what you'd want to wait for to really to go long. But so yeah, this is funded account, so I don't want to get too crazy with this thing, especially if this breaks right here, this trend line, which it's testing right now, which looks like it is popping above. It's regaining. It's going up to where it was. That's the spot right there. I'm going to reshort. See if there's a rejection over here at 21s. I got a really bad average. That's the only problem. This thing could push right back up though. Just this action's super weak, you know? Look at that. Just dropped. Wow. All the way down to the 92s, 90 somethings. It's going to try to get bought back up here, but geez, I wouldn't take that. I'd get the hell out if I were you, if I were long. Get out, get out. They're about to turn this thing over and turn it red again. I'm going to downsize though. See if I can. I'm I'm gonna keep this thing short. It's a little aggressive, but I'm gonna keep it short. And if they could really buy all that back up, then well, then so be it. That's fine. I'm gonna keep it though. Oh yeah, let's go. Put a little buy in there. Boom, there's one, 150. Let's go, covered one. Keeping it go down, keeping it going down. 175, 195, 250, 265. I want to film me on the bid. Snap, there it is. All right, there we go. 261 now. Funded account, PA account, 261. Not bad. All right. Slow markets, man. Look at that, all the way down to the 80s. See, that's why I said I was going to keep it, because I was like, look at that nastiness, though. Came back up. So now if it recontrols this line, which is the 1 minute, but point of control. The thing's nasty. These wicks just wicking people down. Higher wick, though. It's a higher wick on the 5 minute. Got to cover. If you don't take, I mean, weird doji, candles. Indecision. They don't know what's going on. They're just bouncing back and forth, trading. Junk. 79s. This is definitely, this is going to roll over. I mean, can it really be saved? I don't know about that. What's good about doing some of these is if you have an account that won't do trailing drawdown. Like, this is Apex, so they kind of do, unfortunately. But right now, I mean, in 2 days, I'm up 1745, which is not bad. I've had some of my accounts up to like $6,000. Got paid out, and then went and blew them just because I got super aggressive. You start trading them like a funded account, or like a evaluation account. But 82s. This is going to sweep. This is going to sweep the 80s. I should get aggressive here with like 2 contracts. Come on, show me a little pop up. I'm going to do it. Oh, is that all the pop you got? I need to go to the 1 minute. It's going to pop and sweep these 80s. And if it doesn't, over 85 would be good for a long. And just risk the low. Just the low in here, like the 75. 10 points. 10-point risk. Oh, there's the slam. Weird. There it goes. There it goes. Boom, boom, boom. All the way down to the 60s now. 70s. Don't catch that knife. It's going to keep going. Don't catch that knife. Don't catch that knife. Gap's going to get filled here. I think the gap is going to get filled. There's the pop. I'm going to go 1. I'm going to go short more. Short 2. Short 2. We'll see. I'm getting aggressive here. Oh, there we go. There we go. Keep going. Oh, yeah. There we go. I'll take 1 off. Boom, boom. 2. There's 2 off. Up 455. 455 on that. Not on that, but, to get out quick. And that's why I take my profits. That's exactly why. Look at that pop. Boom. They ripped it all the way back up another almost 10 points. Yikes. I know I said I wasn't going to trade my funded, but dude, this is just obvious. I mean, how do you not trade this? This is just obvious. I can't pass this up. Dang. Let's see what they do here. They're going to pop it back up or what? I don't know where you're going to go with that pop up. It'd have to be something big. It's gonna gap fill. It's gonna get slammed again. Bear flag on the 1 minute. One more pop. One more pop. One more pop. I'm getting short. I might get bit, but I'll tell you what, it's worth it. Stop by right there. Short right here is a real small. There we go, another 85. Come on. One more slam down. I'll buy it at 61. Right to the bottom, right to the lows. Test the lows. Do it. Hit the lows. Let's see if I can get this one more pop to the lows. There's no way they're saving this. There's no way they're saving this. This is going right to through the lows. This is free money right here. Free money through the lows. Come on. Show it to me. There's no way you're popping this. This is getting slammed right down, dude. Come on. Down. You're not saving it. No way. You gonna save that? Don't tell me you're gonna save it. Slam it down to the lows. Test the lows. Push to the lows. I got to the 73s, but it's my risk. No way. I'm gonna add. I'm adding more short. I'm gonna take a little risky. I have to. I have to take that risk because the lows are right there. I got to take that risk. Man, I feel like adding more, dude. Oh. There it goes. Boom. Broke the lows. Slammed it. I got both those contracts on, though. I covered. Just because, I'm not trying to see a huge, bounce. Even though, because it's coming into the 50s, and then if they short me, dude, and they don't even hit the 50s, and they slam it up, I'd be pissed. I'm up 819 now. That's not bad. Oh, this is a funded account, though. I decided I wasn't going to fund it, but then I did. It's so obvious, though. I got to get rid of this. Just taking people out. Liquidity sweep. Watch out. They're gap filling. Look at this thing. Gapped. They're going all the way back down to the 915s. Don't be surprised. Don't be surprised. I'm actually gonna open up my not Tradeovate account. Hold on a minute. Let's see here. I'm gonna go with my Top Step account. Top Step. Here we go. Okay, let's see here. I got 100,000 here. This is just another account that I'm trying to fund. So there's a little pop up. Probably has room to the 69s for sure. So it's not looking very, very promising here, but that was a good sweep. Swept down to the 48s. That's why I got out early, but you know what? I'm okay with it. Gotta wait till this thing comes back up, see what it's gonna do. It's so hard to want to go long on this. This thing is embarrassing. Slow markets too, you gotta be careful. There's the pop. This isn't a bad spot to get short again. Until they recover it, then it starts going up. Look at this. All you gotta do is this. Just draw it. There you go. Below that, 60, just slam it. Give yourself a 10-point. This thing is looking weak. I'm starting one short right here. I don't care if it goes up. I'm going to add, and then I'll just go to like 73. This is a this is a eval account. So I'm not really, it's not the other one. The other one, my funded account, I just made 815 on. That's over here on this. Let's see. So 2 days now of trading that account, I'm at 2303 because it's 50K account, There it is. PA account, and then, sorry for the glare, 819 on that for the day. Which I said I wasn't going to do, but... All right, this one's coming up. I need to go back over here. This is my top step. I'm going to add more short here. I'm going to add more short here. I'm going to add more short here. They're so stupid. I'm not buying this, dude. I'm not buying this push-up. Not at all. I'm going to add more short here. Come on, film me. All right. It could pop. I'm not going to, it could. So I'll put 5 to stop at 73. Right there. Let's go down. Down, down, down. That's a big old bear flag. Who knows? It's showing some promise. It's really going to push. You guys should go long. Do it. Uh-oh. You guys getting scared? This thing's going to crack. I should cover probably at 60. I'll put 60. I'll put 61. I don't like to see wicks getting bought up, but what are you going to do? What you going to do? This is just mean. They're acting like it's going to go up, and these guys are going to get all long. Just get... It might pop me out just in time, but, come on. I don't buy your bullshit. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, what's that manipulation? Oh my God, they're slamming them down again. Don't do that. That's not nice. Oh, they're slamming it up again. Oh, weird. Oh, I'm going to add. I don't care. I'm going to add. Add more short. It's either going to go up or it's going to go down. They're manipulating. Actually, now that it's showing what it's showing there, I almost think it's going to go up because it's like, boom, big slam down, and then just a big push up. So, but, what are you going to do? Look at this manipulation. Boom. Covered. Oh, I missed my cover. Let's see how it's slamming down, but then ripping right back up. That's what they're doing. They're just playing games. So it could actually go up a little bit more. Might hit my stop, but we'll see. Playing it pretty good here because I think it's gonna pull right back down for me. I know it wants to give me a nice fat payout and this beautiful slam all the way down, but that's what I want. But we'll see what I get. Still barely in profit. Come on. This red's going to be nasty. It might just rip up into like the mid 70s, screw me, and then just like slam back down. Be like, really? But I would not want to be long here. That's just me. Oh my goodness. Oh no. Oh no. The longs, they think they can hold on for just a little longer. Watch out. Don't pull down any further. It's going to be bad for you. No, you longs got this. You can save it. Yeah, keep going. Keep going long, dude. Oh no. What are you going to do? Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Back it up, Terry. Oh, no. We got to save this. It's the 60s. Bye. Yeah, buy the 60s. Oh no. Oh no. It's not going back up, dude. I added though. I added. Oh geez. Oh goodness. Oh goodness. Oh Lord. I'm gonna cover right here at the 55s if I can get it. Oh, it's gonna go more than that. I'm taking it off. It's gonna sweep. It's gonna sweep. It's gonna sweep. It's gonna sweep the 50s. Oh good Lord. Oh Terry. Oh Jesus. I'm out. Oh my God. So obvious, man. Like if you can't short that, you dude, don't trade. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Swept it all the way down to the I told you it was gonna sweep. I just got all scared, like, oh, what if it bounces? Sweep it all the way down to the lows. Weird. Okay. All right. I'm only allowed to make 3 grand on this today because Top Step only lets you make 50%. So sorry about the glare. And I'm doing all this like on my phone all live. On the holding the phone and being all whatever. Jeez, it's just crying. Just crying. There's gonna be a pop, for sure. Nice little pop. They're coming back down to the 915s. That's my maybe even. Yeah, I'd say that we'll see what there's a reaction here because you could have a reaction on this here. On this level. So there's the break, retest, failing again, continuing to sweep the lows. You got room all the way down until the 915s. Like legitimately. It'd almost be like you might as dude, it's on the lows. I can't do that. It's kind of free money, but it's gonna go down to the 915s. Down to the 915s. It's got 15 more bucks to go. And it's gonna complete gap fill. Right here. This better be support. I'll do green. I'll do all big and stuff. Like that. It's got room down there. So there's the break, right? What you want to see is a pop back up and then a retest on this here. Make that red. Boom. We'll make that thicker. Apply, save. Okay, now here's the break and retest of the trading day on Friday. Okay, so broke the highs on Friday. Here's where you just want to see this pop come back up, retest into like the 40s, 43s, whatever. Give it a little room. Even maybe even to the 50s. I wouldn't even do that, but maybe. 25s, I would say maybe 40s is where you start scaling in right here. We'll go a little early. I'll do 36s. Start scaling in a little early. It's early, I know. Cool thing is, I don't have a trailing drawdown with this with Top Step. That's why I like that. Sucks when they pay you. It's 50%. Like I got paid out 18. What was it? $1,819.50 because they only give you. Oh, look at that beautiful pool right there, down the lows. Bear flag. That's what this is. Nice bear flag. And don't get all crazy about trying to cover right now. Like honestly, just I would say your cover is going to be at like 915. So go ahead and put that in. Like maybe even if it sweeps 915, that's going to smoke. Like it's going to pull hard, even harder, you know? And if you think this thing's going to just reverse and come back up and kick ass, no. Let's just tell you that. It's not going to happen. Not going to happen. Here goes. Tick, 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 tick. I'm going to add to my down line. Adding. Come down. Come on down. I'm going to add some more. Go ahead, pop up. I don't care. You think you're gonna pop up? Pop it up. I got plenty of you know, leg room, so to speak. Okay, nice pop. Even if I get back my profit, that's fine. But I don't think I'm going to get back my profit personally. Oh, weird. There goes. Cover 2. All the way down. 23s. Keep going, baby. You know you're... Oh, that's a little pop-up, by the way. Like covers, right? These are covers. No, these are called get short more. Don't believe this. I'm not believing it. It might, but I don't believe it. I just added more short. And then it's going to pull right back down. Because it's like, oh, everybody's like, oh, yeah, this is it. This is a reversal candle. It could be. You know, I mean, I sit here and I joke, but it could. Boom, look at that. That's nice. That's beautiful. Wow, that's really nice. It's really nice. I'm going to go short more. And I don't care. I'm going to push it. Because I got an extra 1,000 in here, and if that thing just rips right back down, which it could, then I believe I did an okay job, because I just added into a winner, and you know, it kind of put me in, you know, a little bit harm's way because I didn't let this thing break and retest. Technically, right? I got a little too aggressive. I'm cool with it. Like, I'll go break even maybe, but I don't know. I'm gonna wait though. I'm gonna wait here. I'm gonna grab myself another account. I'm gonna go short. Oh, there we go. Short another account. I'm definitely not going long. So now I've added short on one account, and then, oh, this is only a 50K account. Whoops. All right, well, I gotta get kind of quick on this one. Darn it. It's not 100K. I thought it was 100K. That's all right. I'm gonna cover up. Ah, dang it. I might have to. Moment of truth. All right, I'm gonna get out of that one. This other one though, which was my 100K, it's, let's see, this could break and retest. It's retesting. Is it gonna fail? That's the question. Oop, wrong one. That account was old account. Here we go. I'm gonna go short here. It's a little aggressive. I'll go a little bit higher than that. Maybe 45s, 43s. They're trying to hold it up. Trying to hold it up. Oop. Oh. Uh-oh. Could this be it? Could this be the break? Or does it hold it and then jam it and go back up? See, this is where you can kind of get screwed on the whole break and retest thing. If you think, okay, hey, this is it, you know, it's rejecting, but really that's just a pullback to push through that and break through. Let's see what this other account's at. I'm at 400. I'm a little bit heavy, but that's okay. I'm okay with being heavy because I think it's a break and retest and a fail. So if it's not, it's not. But if it is, then great. Like I said, this is an eval. Looking for this to reject. It's already starting to pull back. Here I'm going to draw a little a line. So like trend line to break. Watching for this trend line break. That's another confluence, right? So you have resistance overhead, confluence here, trend line break. There you go. It's the break and retest. Retest fails, breaks this trend line fail. Boom. Boom. All the way down. Oops. I was just going to cover up 5, but I didn't get there. So waiting. It went all the way down to that perfect right there to the line, too. It's still going to snap this one more time. Right here. Snap. Covered. I'm only allowed to make 500 more bucks in this thing, unfortunately. Oop. I got a... Oop. I covered. Just because I was so close to the 3,000 mark, because I did the 100K eval. You're only allowed to make 3,000 per day in Top Step. So I just was like, I got to get out. And then you know how this thing bounces. I mean, you saw it. So it's going to bounce, come up, retest. Hopefully it retests. Okay, I'll do another circle where it's going to retest. Eclipse. So, whoop, I don't know what that was. So you want it to retest like right here in this little area and then fail again. Or the bottom of that wick before like this one failed, right? So right there is very close. It didn't make it, but it was very close. This one's gonna go test the lows again, and like I said before, the whole area I'm thinking is gonna hit is gonna be right here, right down here at 915. They're really trying to hold it up, but I don't know about that. Let me see if I can get aggressive with this. Here comes 915s. Boom, 915. There it is. There it is. Did I say it was going to make it, or was I? There we go. Breaks it. This is a reaction. Is it going to hold and boom, or what? Or rip? That's the question. I'll go long. Why not? This account needs some help. I got, I don't have very much left, but this is probably going to take it down to the 9s, then rip it, and then I'll be like, God dang it, I didn't have. I'm just doing this because I just already got in late with it. And I'm hoping that it's going to have a good reaction to hold here, but it was kind of. I think we got it. I think we got it. I'm going full port. It's gonna blow me out of here. Go up, do it. Just squeeze it up. Squeeze it up. Go ahead, do it. There you go. A little more. Come on. I have like no room on this eval. It's gonna knock me out in like a couple $100. If it goes down at all, I'm screwed. And I know that. It'll just knock me out. That's fine. There it is. I'm out. Stupid. It's all right. I'm going to get another 100,000 account right here. Wait for it to full port down. Not full port, but to break down. Squeeze out all those longs that we're thinking it was going to go. And then have it come down to the 2900s. Right there. Watching it. This is the 1 minute. I'm going to go to ticks now. Ticks are a smaller time frame. I want to see how it reacts. Possibly, nope. I'm going kind of aggressive here. Kind of aggressive here. I need this to, oh. Nope. I'm going way aggressive. It's just pulling down hard. Come on. Jump right back up. This should be the pop. This should be the pop we need right here. Boom. Pop it, pop it, pop it, pop it, pop it, pop it. More. There we go. A little more. Nothing. Oh, good Lord. That was the pop. Let's see if it holds here. Come on. I'm getting so aggressive with this. It's going to knock me out of this one too. Okay, I'm going more. One more. I added one more just for one more pop up. Just for one more pop up. One more. I gotta get out. Just so that I'm not down as much. Because I'm waiting for this thing to reverse. It's a hard thing to call considering it just broke a very key support line up there. And this is the break and retest once again. You could also do. Barbie. What's up? Sorry, I wasn't really watching the chat. Wow, this thing's pulling hard. Woo! Wow. Thing's pulling hard. All the way down to the 50s. Watching for this thing to pull another pull something. Boom, boom, boom. Ripping. Ripping, baby. Right here. Come on up. Come on up. Come on up. Touch that spot right there. Just touch that little spot right there. Come on up. Hit the 88s. 88s. Do it. Come on, do it, mister. There's some. Come on up. Come on up. Come on up to the 90s. All the way up to 93s up here. Let's go. Come on, get in there. Let's roll. Can he hit the 93s? Let's see. Little rejection going here. The 92s. Keep going. Keep pushing. I'm buying more. I'm buying more. Push. Push. Oh, you suck. Almost. I was looking to be done with it. No way. Dump down. Passed. Passed. All right. You would go long here. Oh my God. One more for the nice. I need to lose a little bit on this. Okay, there we go. Evaluation. All right, I think this is it for me. I'm gonna stop going live right now, but I went for about an hour and a half, so that was nice. Barbie, what up? I will talk to y'all later. Bye.